Mismatch right here, ball. Step back three.
Adam asks, how long is your schlong? Black and white, bro. And then we be out here getting dubs, you know what I mean? When you going to turbo the 03? Hey yo YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Jayden back at again with another video. So today I don't really have anything too crazy planned, but I'm gonna take you on a regular day in my life. So right now I'm heading to Blacktown because we need to fix the lighting setup for the live stream. So I'm trying to find like a ring light or something like that. And something I'm pretty excited for today is the Kid Laroi dropped some new bangers, so we finna listen to that real quick. But not gonna lie, I've already listened to all of them before they got released, so that's probably why I already know all the songs, but let's go. In a yellow lemons like Pikachu. Be look at you. Somewhere down bad, cause I just spent your whole check on a pair of some Jimmy Choo's. Bro, what an EP, but anyways, we out here. I think I might play basketball this afternoon, but my back's been bugging, bro. So we might have to play light today. I'll only be shooting threes. Like I always do. Bro, Christmas already? Man, it ain't even December yet. So I don't really like walking around the shops anymore, but there is one shop I do like going to. And bro, it'd be Zing. Cause look at all these pop vinyls, bro. Yo, these are kinda hard, man. Bro, Mewtwo, Mr. Mime. We ain't trying to waste no money today. So, I was just walking around the shops before, and I was just thinking about the times we could just go to the cinemas on a Friday night just cause. But now like everything's so sad, like the shopping center's sad. Those were the best times, man. But anyways, we're back in the white 03 right now, and I got my streaming light, which is good, and I'll show you guys that when we get back home. Bro, but my back be killing, bro. I heard it the other day playing basketball. I'm gonna show you some unreleased The Kid Laroi songs. Nobody else as good as you, I need you to stay. Get drunk and wake up, I'm wasted still. The time that I wasted here. Bro, I love this album, bro. The Kid Laroi is the GOAT. Said I wouldn't drink, but I did same day. I lied to your face like I always do. Alright boys, we back home. And this is what we just copped right here. It says professional live stream. And it's like just some ring light, bro, but you know, it'll do the job. That's kind of tough, man. So this will just clip on the side of the desk. We should have some light for the webcam. Cause the old setup, bro, that ain't gonna bring in the viewers, bro. When it looks like I'll be playing video games in my garage. Oh wait. That's basically what I be doing.
Yesterday.
Hello, Lana Rhodes. Yo, what's up, Supri?
Oh!
You know what? I just realized your name.
You just realized my name.
Yeah, it's crazy.
I'm gonna vote pink, bro, because he hasn't even said anything, bro. Yeah, I vote pink. See, I balanced out the score. If Draco voted pink, then we're safe, and then we kill black and white, bro. And then we be out here getting dubs, you know what I mean? Bro, because I walked past you like literally a few seconds ago, so it's either black killed and then he reported himself, or it's pink. Well, no, it can't be pink because we voted. Yeah, I'm voting black for sure.
Yeah, let's vote him because pink.
We got the dub.
What about me?
I knew it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I should.
That's how you finesse the system, boys.
Bro, you...
Alright, boys, there's the new light right here. And there's the live stream. As you can see, my face be hella dark right now. With the flip of a button, we should be good. Yo, that's so bright. Okay, now, we got like 3 different settings of light. So hopefully the stream quality is a lot better now. And make sure you guys don't miss the next stream, because I'll be streaming pretty much every day. But anyways, I finna get ready because we're about to play some basketball right now. Look at this drip man out here. Yo, what up, man?
What's up with your friend?
Match up with him.
Which one?
The Tigers shirt.
What bike you taking?
Huh?
What bike you taking?
Match up.
Oh.
Go, hit it for the camera, bro.
Pass ball. Oh! Caruso meets him at the top.
Pocket pass. Extra pass, Drew. How about this spacing? Ball movement. Lonzo Ball. Basketball. Yeah, he needed help and he found it. Lonzo Ball. Just in the nick of time. Ball's taking it again. And Moore's got.
Mismatch right here. Ball. Step back three. Ball.
Sweet setup. Lonzo Ball. Give him a dive.
Yes, yes.
Thought about it. Lonzo Ball, a triple.
Yes, sir.
Got it.
Yes,
And he's
sir.
also got a new
Yes,
career
sir.
high in
Yes,
threes.
The next day.
Alright, so we're at Pemaway Lake right now. There's good vibes out here. That's Pemaway Hill up there, and there's someone up there right now. There's actually a low-key spot right here. Doesn't get much better than this. But anyways, the reason why we're at the lake right now, I thought I'd do a Q&A video. So a lot of you guys sent through your questions on Insta, so I'ma answer them right now. What are some good first mods for a Sportivo? Honestly, if you're gonna daily a Sportivo, performance-wise, all you need is an intake and a muffler. And not gonna lie, I can't live without Apple CarPlay, so I'd definitely recommend getting an Apple CarPlay head unit. Small Brian FDA says, come 1v1 me basketball. Bro, you don't want no smoke. They call me the Asian LaMelo Ball. Adam asks, how long is your schlong? And I'ma answer this with a rhetorical question. How big's the Eiffel Tower?
It's about like 20 feet.
When you going to turbo the 03? I don't know, bro. To be honest, if I were to turbo my Sportivo again, I'd have to do it properly. And to do it properly, you need at least 10 grand. And that costs more than the car, so I don't know. If we become YouTube famous, I'll think about it. Till then, I'm just happy driving an NA. When you gonna turbo the Sportivo? If not a Sportivo, then what? I mean, there are some other pretty good budget dailies like Accord Euro, Triple S Pulsar, but to be honest, I can't see myself driving anything other than a Sportivo because you got cheap fuel, reliable, and like, you can't go wrong, it's a Toyota. When are you selling the white 02 to a subscriber? I think he meant 03, but like, at the moment, I have no complaints. I love the car. It gets me from A to B, it gets me to work with no problem, so I think I might keep it for a little bit. How many cars have you been through? So my first car was a Toyota 86, and then I wrote that off and I got a silver Sportivo, and then I swapped it for the turbo one, and then I swapped the turbo one for a DC5, and then I sold the DC5 and I bought the EP3, and then I sold the EP3 and I bought the white 03. How many cars is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cars. Anything new coming up? Also, I'm happy with how much your platform is growing. Hey, shout out to Celine. I remember first starting out this channel and she was one of the first subscribers, so appreciate you for reals. Bro, all these questions is just about turboing the Sportivo. BMX Luke says, what made you start your YouTube? Honestly, it's always been something I wanted to do, but I've always been shy. And I thought that everyone cared about everything that I did, but to be honest, no one actually cares about you until you do something with your life. So I'm out here chilling, bro. I don't have to impress anyone. And this channel is mainly for personal growth, to be honest. When do you reckon you will reach 100k on any social platform? Honestly, bro, if you want to start YouTube or your own business or anything, you just gotta be patient, and success doesn't come overnight. So I'm chilling, man. As long as I can earn enough money to survive and still make videos, then I'm good. Ooh, this is a good question. What should you look for when buying Sportivos? A lot of Sportivos these days have been in front end crashes, so make sure the radiator supports the same color, make sure the body's straight, make sure it has no oil leaks. A lot of common leaks is the rocker cover, the timing case, the timing tensioner, and when you take it for a test drive, make sure second gear doesn't crunch, make sure third gear doesn't crunch, because those gearboxes are so weak. Do you have any goals in the future of your YouTube channel? I do have ideas for videos, but like in terms of future plans, I'm just taking every day as it comes, and I'm grateful for the process that we've been going through. So thanks for everyone who's joined me on this journey. Appreciate it. But that's all the questions we have for today, so I guess we should head home. Alright boys, I finna drive home right now, but if you guys stay to the end of the video, thank you guys so much. If you enjoyed, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe if you're new, and maybe leave a comment down below. Till next time guys, peace.
Maybe it's the way, and you make everything